Hi guys, my name is Agene Isaac. Welcome to Zico Power Graphics, and today we are going to be learning how to create a text effect just like this one. So first we will start by clearing our screen. Let's clear our screen. So then we'll choose a background for this. Let's choose the background, maybe something like this. Yeah, we're okay with it. Then we'll now write our text. Let's write our text. Wow. Then we'll go to bring the text to the middle. Now go to font and choose the font. The name of the font is Obelisk. So the font will be available, the link to the font will be available in the description box, so we can download. Then we'll go to color. We'll go to size. We'll now increase the size of the text. Let's increase it a little. Let's say 90 is enough. Align it to the middle. Then go to color. Now choose the color. Click on gradient, because the gradient is combination of two different colors. So choose gradient. Click on the plus sign. The top color. Click here. The top color is pure white. Then the bottom is, we'll use our color code for the bottom. You click on the pencil icon here. Then the bottom color should be, the color code for bottom is B5, B5, B5. Then you make sure you click on this icon, this mark icon. Click it, that's it. Okay. So this is what we have after changing the color. Then we'll now go to stroke. Go to our stroke. Here. You click on it, enable stroke. Then you now change the color for the stroke also. You change the color for the stroke, which is, click on the pencil icon, F1. Now click OK. Then now increase the stroke. We reduce the stroke width to 2. Yes. Then the next thing we'll do is add shadow. Now go to shadow, enable shadow, opacity. We'll increase the opacity to 50. Yes. Then the blur radius, let's make it 2. Then our offset F should be -3. -3. Then offset Y should be 6. I think that should be okay. Then we'll go to 3D test. 3D test. Now enable it. Then you click on oblique. Then we'll now reduce the depth to 4. 4 or 5 is okay. Yes. Then now click on, we'll go to oblique angle and make it 225. Yes. Then the length angle should be 105. Somewhere here. 105. And don't forget to like and subscribe, then hit the notification bell to get more of our videos whenever we upload. Then we'll go to shadow. Shadow should be 20. Yes, the shadow is 20. Then now click OK. Let's proceed. Then you have to copy the text. Now copy, then You now increase the size by 2. You go to size 1, 2. Yes, 92. Then you now go to style, style. Make it bold. Click on B. B signifies bold. Then go to stroke. Sorry, go to stroke. Then we'll make the stroke width 12. Let's increase it to 12. Yeah, this what I want. Then we'll now go back to color. Color. Click gradient. Yeah. Now add color. Click on the plus sign to add color. Then this time the top color, we use our color code. Click on the pencil icon to insert the color code. So the color code for top is FFB 200. Yes, okay. Then for the bottom, the color code for the bottom part is, we'll cancel this one, FF 9801. Then okay, yes, okay. So this is what we want. This is what we want to achieve. Then the color has changed, as you can see. Then we'll go back to stroke again. And click on gradient. Then we'll now choose the same color for the stroke. Then the color has changed now. Then we'll go to relative positioning. We'll position it to the center and middle. We'll now go to your layer. Go click on layer. This icon here is layer. Then you now hold the up one and drag it down. It is now behind. If you hold it and drag it down to bring it behind, let's lock it. Then we'll now click on the top one and let's set it well. We just have to let's change the background color, because as if this color is not showing well. Let's change it to white. Yes. Then click on the top one and set it where it is supposed to be. Let's bring it upward. Yes. Then the next thing we have to do now is go back to layer and choose the down one, this one. Then we'll have to lock them to prevent them from moving anyhow. So let's lock them. So the next thing to do is go to the down one, the down layer. Then choose the second test. We have done that. This is the second test. Yeah. Then go to 3D test. 3D test. I will now increase the depth to 5. Yes. Then we'll now go to shadow. Then click on shadow. We will increase the opacity. Let's increase the opacity. Yeah, I think 60 is okay. Yeah, 60 is okay. Then the blur radius, we will increase it to 5. Yes. Then offset Y, we will reduce it to 3. I think we're okay with that. Then look at what we got. We have gotten our test effect. So, and you will not want to be doing this every time you are doing this, and it will be so long for you. So let's we will have to save it as preset. To save it as preset now, you click the first one, the top one, you click on styles. Click on styles, you see save. Click on save, you will click OK. Then you do the same thing for the second one. Click on the second one here, then click on style, click on save, click OK. Then whenever you want to use it, you come to style, browse my styles. Here they are. So that is how to do your text effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell whenever to get the videos whenever we upload any. And the link to the test will be in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.